This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tracy Green. 2.42 unrestricted acreage with log cabin / barndomidium. This customized round log cabin has cathedral ceilings, stone custom fireplaces, open floor plan, 2 bedroom / 2 bath with 1 car garage, wraparound porches, private decking, and buildings with water and power for RV parking, additional cars, workshops, camper / apartment, 5 total fireplaces, outdoor kitchen, chicken / duck coup, wet creek through the property and much more. Just minutes to public launch for Douglas Lake and hiking in the Smoky Mountains National Park. Perfect for permanent living, retirement, second home, family businesses, and more. Media room TV and equip is negotiable. For more information